welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of joining us, please don't make it your last. I'm still your baby girl Oge. I talk about business, beauty and personal development from Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. So today we are looking at how to start and run a successful dropshipping business in Nigeria. Okay, so now we have some questions. Like some people have been asking me, okay, can you talk more about this dropshipping business of a thing? So like we have some questions, a kind of question and answer. So the first one is, what is dropshipping? Like some people are still, they still don't get it. What is really this dropshipping? Then we are going to look at difference between dropshipping and wholesale or other retails. Then we look at, is dropshipping lucrative in Nigeria? Does this dropshipping, does it really work in Nigeria? Then the fourth one we're looking at is, how do I start a dropshipping business in Nigeria? Most people want to start, but they are still, how do I start? So now let's look at what is dropshipping. Dropshipping is simply a retail channel, like it's a form of retailing where the seller doesn't buy the product he or she sells. The seller doesn't buy the product he or she sells. The seller doesn't have to stock up before selling. So what do I mean by that? The seller will have to meet with a wholesaler that will be taking his or her inventories without he or she buying the product. So now don't worry, you might not get that, but relax. Before the end of this video, I'm sure you will understand and assimilate what dropshipping is all about. So the second question, which is, what is the difference between dropshipping and other retails or wholesale? The difference is just very clear. In wholesale, you have to buy your goods at hand, and other retails, you buy from the wholesaler. But dropshipping, you don't buy anything. You don't buy your products. You sell with pictures you get from the wholesalers. That's the number one difference. The number two difference is, dropshipping requires no capital. It requires no capital to start. Unlike other wholesale or retail channel that you have to have certain amount of money to be able to buy your products, dropshipping doesn't require any amount, so it doesn't require capital. So the third question, which is dropshipping lucrative in Nigeria? Wow, fantastic. I can tell you that many people have actually built a very successful brand from dropshipping. Yes, most businesses you see, they started from dropshipping. In fact, dropshipping is the best way to start if you are just getting started than looking for loan and the rest. Dropshipping is just an easy way to start, so it is very lucrative in Nigeria. So now let's look at the final question, or the fourth one, which is, how do I start dropshipping in Nigeria? How do I start dropshipping business in Nigeria? The first one is, get an opportunity. Look for an opportunity. What do I mean by look for an opportunity? Look for a niche that you are very conversant with. Niche, another big grammar. Okay, look for your area of concentration in business. Like, are you more of a fashion person? Do you like fashionable things? Do you like what did you like? What is your drive? What pushes you? What pushes you? So like, what do you like doing? So look for your passion, look for an opportunity, look for a niche that you do well in. Having a niche that you know very well about, like you know something about it very well, will give you an added advantage. Yes, let's say you want to go into dropshipping now, but like you are thinking of going into hair, going into beddings, but like I know more about clothing. Yeah, If I go into clothing, I'll have a more added advantage. Exactly. So that is what it means by finding an opportunity. That's number one. The number two is get a supplier. When doing dropshipping, you don't need one supplier. I say you would need like 2 or 3 supplier that will handle your inventories so that you don't get disappointed. Yes, you cannot just rely on one supplier if you are doing a dropshipping business. And you need to test your suppliers' goods to ascertain quality. Yes, because you won't be touching the goods, right? So before you can trust this supplier to carry on your inventory, you must be sure that they can do it. You must be very sure that that their product is top notch. You must be sure that my customers are getting value for their money, because you don't want to lose customers because of poor quality. So that is that about the second one, getting a supplier. The third one is choose a platform. Where do you want to sell? Is it Instagram? Is it Facebook? Is it WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and many others? I will advise you start with Facebook. Why? Because Facebook is the simplest place to sell. It's so easy, very, very easy to sell on Facebook. You can use the Facebook marketplace. Like, it is easy to sell in Facebook than other places. I don't know, but I am telling you from experience. So choose a platform and know what works for you. Then the number 3 is promote your business. Promote your business. Tell people about your business. Tell people this is what I do. Open your shop daily. What do I mean by open your shop daily? Post on your social media handles daily. Don't relent. That dropshipping, take it serious. Take it as your business. Promote it. Let people know. If you need to run a sponsored ad, do. Yes, because that is your business. You have to take it serious. So the last one that you need to know when starting a dropshipping business is getting your finance in order. Yes, you wouldn't want to be making profit, and you make profit, you just eat all the profits. No, you'll be like, okay, for each sale I make, this is the certain amount I'm going to save, and the rest, so that you won't see yourself selling but you have nothing to show for it. Yes. So now the dropshipping is just getting your supplier to ship your goods to your customers without you touching the goods. You bring your phone, you post a product you get from your supplier, buyers pick interest in it, they pay money, you pay your supplier, and your supplier ship to the customer. It's very simple. So that is what dropshipping is all about. Like, somebody will want to ask, so what is the benefit of this dropshipping? It has many benefits. So, like, every business has profit or loss, but you see, dropshipping business, there is no loss. It's profits. Yes, because you don't have to assume that, oh, okay, since I'm selling hair, my customers are going to like short hairs, my customers are going to want curly hair, then I'll buy curly hair, short hair, and stock up, and at the end of the day I end up not selling them. So you see, you are not losing, because you source your orders according to what your customers want. You send them what they want. You don't order things and keep and assume that they want it. So that is that about the dropshipping business. In our next video, we are going to be dropping contact of wholesalers that you can work with, wholesalers in Lagos and in Onitsha that you can work with. So stay tuned. If this interests you, subscribe, like, and share this video. I'm still your baby girl Oge. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.